Hi 5th class and 6th class, this is your Irish for May 11th to May 15th. So there's lots of different things being covered this week. Reading this week for Monday, I know you read this last week, but just read it one more time again on Monday, because on Monday you'll be answering the questions, so you kind of need to be familiar with the story again. But then reading wise for the rest of the week, what I'm doing is I'm taking it from your little Seo Leat book, which I know you don't have at home with you. So what I'm doing is I'm sending off these screenshots of the book. So you can still access it on CJ Fallon if you want to, but I'll send out these attachments as well. Now on the CJ Fallon website, I know it used to read your Seo Leat stories aloud. It doesn't do that for the small Seo Leat book. So if you have any problem with pronunciation of any of these words, give me a ring and I'll read through it with you. Okay, don't be stuck. But don't half bake it either, you know, actually make an effort with it. So that's your reading. So Monday is just to go over these two again, and then you've got one page of your small Seo Leat book for Tuesday to Friday. Every day this week we're moving on because we have to with that Aimsir Fháistineach. I thought I'd be back to school by now and I'd be able to do it with you in person, but we're just going to have to try our best to do it here. 6th class, we did this last year, so this is going to be a revision for you, but 5th class, it'll be new for you. Look, if you don't get it this year, don't panic about it, because I'm sorry, but you're stuck with me for another year again. We'll hammer it into you again next year. So Aimsir Fháistineach is the future tense. We've already done an Aimsir Caite, which is the past tense, and an Aimsir Lárach, which is the present tense. So this is the future tense. So I will go, I will stay, I will visit, I will play, I will wash, I will sit, whatever it is. So it's always talking about the future. The future tense kind of follows the same rules as the Aimsir Lárach. So you have different endings depending on whether the verbs are Campáíl or Leathan. So just to revise, Leathan verb, basically the last vowel in a Leathan verb is either A, O or U. So they have specific endings. And a verb is Campáíl if the last vowel in the verb is an E or an I. So they have their own specific endings. Also, there's different endings for words with one syllable, or verbs, sorry, I should say, with one syllable, or verbs with two or more syllables. So look, breaking it down here for you in the PowerPoint. Oops, I'm going ahead of myself. So the rules here for an céad réimniú, so these are the verbs that only have one syllable. So you're talking about brish, con, loss, all those kind of small verbs. So all you do for these is you have to figure out whether they are Campáíl or Leathan. By doing that, you will look at the last vowel in the verb. So you've got mull here, so there's only one vowel in the verb, which is an O, and we know that O is a Leathan vowel. So basically, if it's A, O or U, so therefore you have to stick on the Leathan, the correct Leathan ending. So there's me, tu, she, shiv, and shiad are down here, and then your shing is going to be different, which is the wee version of the vowel, the amid version. Then if the last vowel, so for example brish, the last vowel is an I, so therefore it's a Campáíl ending. Here are your Campáíl endings here. So the me, tu, she, shiv and shiad, all of the same, the FIDH. And then the wee version or the shing version has the FIMID. So it's quite simple with the céad réimniú vowels, or verbs, because they only have one syllable. So all you have to do is just fire on the ending, the appropriate ending, at the end of your verb, and job done. It's nice and easy. It gets a little bit more complicated with the Dara réimniú, but we've done this already with Aimsir Lárach. It's the same thing. Remember, for Ceannig, we take off the AIGH, so we take off kind of the end of the verb before, or the last syllable of the verb before we put on our new ending. We do the exact same thing here. So we have our endings here, so our Campáíl endings are EOIDH for me, tu, she, shiv and shiad, and for the wee version it's EOIMID. The Leathan version, so that's where your last vowel is an A, O or U. And remember, when two vowels come together, you're looking at the first of the two vowels. What I mean by that is, if, for example, Ceannig, you have two vowels coming together, you've got AIGH. That is your whole ending. You look at the two vowels coming together and you look at the first one, which is the A. So that's what determines whether the verb is Campáíl or Leathan. So if it's AIGH, it's Leathan, so we'll be using the Leathan endings. We take off the AIGH and we put on our appropriate endings. Eirig, there's only one vowel here at the end of it, IGH, so it's Campáíl, so therefore we take off our IGH and put on the Campáíl endings. Remember, there's a few awkward vowels or verbs as well. So for verbs that end in I or, for example, dimmer or AIL, or AIR, you remove the last vowels. So you'd remove the I or you'd remove the AI, or you'd remove the AI here, and you attach the remaining consonant to your verb. So what that means is if you've got immer, you take off the I, the second I here, and you put the or up next to the M here. So it would be I, M, or instead of I, M, I, or. For cuddle, you've got AI here, which you take off the vowels, and you attach the L to the D. So it becomes C-O-D-L, and then you put on your ending. Okay, so they're just ever so slightly different. But it's nothing we haven't come across in the Aimsir Fháistineach already. It's the exact same rules that we had for doing the Aimsir Fháistineach. You're just putting on different endings. Okay, so throughout the PowerPoint, I've got different examples. I've got your Bríor Nav Rialta. These are your irregular verbs. These are what you've been learning for the last 2 weeks on page 94 of your Seo Leat. You've been learning the past, the present, and the future tense of each of these verbs. So these are just the future tense of all the verbs, and they're just conjugated down for you with the question, the Urim Dúilteach and the Urim Ceistach, which are the question version, which is this, on plus the aru. Remember, where an aru is possible. If it starts with a vowel, it doesn't get an aru. And then ni plus a H. And remember, vowels don't take a H. Okay? So all the rules are there. Every day I want you to look through that, please, just to really familiarise yourself with it, because you'll be doing exercise on it throughout the week. As regards written work for the week, let me just get my... There. So written work. So you'll be reading this on Monday, and on Monday you're answering the questions on it. That's your written work for Monday, as well as looking at your PowerPoint. Your written work for Tuesday was a combination of oral and written. So you're looking at the yellow box here on B, and this is oral work to answer the questions orally. You don't have to write those. But you are going to be doing C. You pick out the first 8 of these, do them whatever order you want to, I don't mind. The first 8 of these verbs, they're all in past tense, and you put them into sentences. They're not. Níveg is future tense, and beg is future tense. So just watch that. The rest of them, I think, are in past tense. So put them into nice, simple, easy sentences. You know, make sure there's a person and there's a place in the each of the sentences. I mean, use vocab that you already have. Don't go looking up the Irish for, I don't know, mongoose or xylophone or, you know, stuff that could be slightly weird. You have loads of vocabulary here within your book that we've already done. And remember, the back pages are like a little treasure trove of loads of vocab as well. And there are some possible endings for each of your sentences here that you could use. Okay, so on Tuesday, you do B, the yellow box, and you do the first 8 sentences here on C. On Wednesday, you're making up questions orally in the blue box, and you do the remaining 7 verbs here, please. And then on Thursday, you're looking at page 104. This is Aimsir Fháistineach, so future tense, Bríor Rialta, which are regular verbs. So you're just completing just the first half of this page, please. So you're basically converting your tog into future tense. So it's tog is here, the Urdu, and then you've got your future tense written. So all you're doing is writing out just these sentences here on the right hand side, putting in the correct version of the verb. Also on Thursday then you're doing this. So I have little sheets, just practice sheets for the Aimsir Fháistineach. So it's on Céad Réim Nua. These are, remember, the easy ones where you're just tacking on the ending to the end. So these are all Bríor Lahana. So you're going to be using your FAIDH endings or FAIMID endings for each of these. So you're just filling in that sheet for me, please, on Thursday. And on Friday then there's the Dara Réim Nua Bríor Creala and Dara Réim Nua Bríor Lahana. Okay, so again, completing these 2 sheets on Friday. And that's basically it. We'll be doing more work on the Aimsir Fháistineach again next week, especially looking at the Bríor Nav Rialta, the irregular verbs. So really give it your best shot. It can be very confusing, and if you're getting stuck, please don't worry, because look, we all know Irish, they like to make it as complicated as possible. Okay, give it your best go. Don't be stuck, don't be panicking, don't be freaking out your parents, because they're probably going, oh my god, it'll come screaming back to them and they'll be having nightmares about Irish that they did in school. Ring me, that's what I'm here for. Please ring me and I can try and explain as best I can over the phone. And 5th class, just remember that you have another year of this, so if you don't get it straight away, it took a while for it to click in with 6th class with the verbs and everything, but they're flying it now in fairness, and you'll be in that position again next year. Okay, mind yourselves.